Hello students, now today we learn CSMA CA with ACK method. This is our first method of CSMA CA protocol. So in this method, as soon as node transmit data to another node, then the receiving node must send an acknowledgement signal called ACK. Once it has been received the data, the ACK signal must reach to the sender node within a specific time frame. So whenever a node transmits the data to another node, so receiving node must send an acknowledgement signal that data is received fully. So to do this we use following algorithm. If sender does not receive ACK in a specified time, then it considered that it is a failed transmission and we have to retransmit the data. So if the receiver does not send the ACK acknowledgement in particular time, so it means transaction is failed, transmission is failed, and we have to retransmit the data. This task is done by the following step. So we have A wants to send data to B. So A listens, it checks that channel is free. If channel is free, then A is ready to transmit the data. Then A sends back data to the B. When the B gets the data, that particular time B will send the acknowledgement or ACK. If ACK received in a time, then it means transmission is successful, and this is the diagram of our particular method. So here A wants to send data to B and B send to the acknowledgement. In same pattern, if B does not send to the acknowledgement data, then our transaction is failed. So here we can say A to B. A sends to data to B and B is not sending the acknowledgement letter to A, then it means our transaction is failed. Our second method is CSMA CA with RTS or CTS. RTS stands for ready to send or clear to send method. In this method, the sender node first send an RTS signal to its receiver. It means he is ready to send. So sender is ready to send the data. So signal is sent to the receiver. Receiver confirms its readiness to receive by sending a CTS signal. Then receiver is confirmed that he is ready to receive the data or clear to send to sender as well as the other nodes. Here we have different choices. Other nodes upon receiving a CTS will now transmit as they know that some transmission is taking place and communication channel is busy. The sender node upon the receiving a CTS goes ahead with the transmission. Once the transmission ends, the receiver node sends the ACK signal to all nodes. The sender node takes its ACK as confirmation of successful transmission. Then other nodes take ACK signal as end of transmission. Now they can transmit if they need, as now communication channel is free. This algorithm we can understand by the following steps. So A wants to send data to B. A listens, channel is free, A is ready to transmit. So A sends RTS to the B. It will take to send. After 10 seconds, I want to send for 10 microsecond. B sends a CTS to A and other node. For A, CTS means go ahead, send for 10 microsecond, and for CD, be quiet for 10 microseconds. So till time C and D will wait for A transmission. Then A sends data to B for 10 microseconds. B sends acknowledgement to all nodes. For A, transmission is done. So C and D transmission is over. Now communication channel is free now. So this thing can be done by the following diagram. So A sends to the RTS for 10 microsecond and C sends to that particular time for to A. That time C and D will be for waiting position, and then A sends to data to B, and that time B sends to acknowledgement to A, then transmission will be over. So today we learned CSMA CA with ACK method, and this thing can be done by the following steps and the following diagram. Then we learned CSMA CA with RTS or CTS method, and this thing can be done for following diagram.